Airtable is a cloud-based platform that combines simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of relational database, allowing users to organize, link, and manage data without needing to code. It works by creating quote-unquote bases, like a database, that contain tables, like a spreadsheet, where you can link information across different tables to build a custom applications for things like project management, marketing, and inventory tracking. Airtable is for you if you need a more robust way to manage data than a simple spreadsheet offers, but find traditional database too complex, as it provides a user-friendly visual interface with features like custom views, automation, and collaboration. You can see a lot of automation right here, right? You can start with AI, and just in a matter of seconds, boom, you can start your own workspace. Okay, so they have features like custom views, automation, and also collaboration. So they have hybrid platform. It blends the familiar look of a spreadsheet with the structure of database, so you can store, organize, or and link data in a visual way. Bases and tables, as we mentioned, you create bases to hold all your related information, and within each base are tables similar to spreadsheet. Okay, and also the aspect of automations, you can set up rules to automate repetitive tasks and streamline workflows, like sending a notification when a task is completed. Okay, so this is for you if you are a business or an individual who needs a more move beyond basic spreadsheets, collaborate with the team, build custom workflows, avoid coding, organize personal projects. Okay, and also automate. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.